Did you know that a toothbrush can last up to 3 years with proper care, saving you money and reducing plastic waste? Toothbrushes are one of the most widely used personal care products worldwide. However, their average lifespan is just 3-6 months, resulting in millions of discarded toothbrushes every year. This staggering waste is largely due to a lack of understanding about proper toothbrush care and maintenance. In this video, we'll explore the world of DIY toothbrush repair and show you how to extend the life of your toothbrush. From simple cleaning techniques to creative upcycling ideas, we'll cover it all. But that's not the strangest part. Many toothbrushes can be repurposed or recycled, reducing the need for new plastics. So let's dive into the fascinating world of toothbrush repair and see what we can learn. To start, we need to understand the anatomy of a toothbrush: its handle, bristles, and base. The handle is typically made of plastic or wood, while the bristles are usually nylon or polyester. The base is the part that connects the handle to the bristles, and it's often the most prone to wear and tear. One of the simplest ways to extend the life of your toothbrush is to clean it regularly. Just soak it in warm water and use a soft bristled brush to remove any debris or bacteria. But that's not all. You can also use a mixture of equal parts water and white vinegar to sanitize your toothbrush. This will help kill any remaining bacteria and prevent the growth of new ones. Another key aspect of toothbrush care is to store it properly. Avoid storing your toothbrush in a humid environment, such as a bathroom or shower, as this can cause the bristles to become soggy. Instead, store your toothbrush in a dry place, such as a drawer or cup. But what happens when your toothbrush becomes damaged or worn out? Can you still repair it, or is it time to get a new one?
The answer is, it depends on the extent of the damage.
If the handle is cracked or broken, it may be time to replace the entire toothbrush. However, if the bristles are simply frayed or loose, you can easily repair them. To do this, simply trim the loose bristles with a pair of scissors and reattach the bristles to the base using a small amount of glue. But that's not the strangest part. Many toothbrushes can be upcycled into creative new items. For example, you can turn an old toothbrush into a plant marker or a paintbrush. To do this, simply remove the bristles and use the handle as a base. Then, use a hot glue gun to attach the bristles to the handle, creating a unique new item. And then something unexpected happened. I discovered that some toothbrushes can even be recycled. Yes, you read that right, some toothbrushes can be recycled, reducing the need for new plastics.
To do this, simply remove the bristles and the base and recycle the handle.
This is a great way to reduce waste and live more sustainably. So what does this mean for us? It means that we can take small actions to make a big impact on the environment. By repairing and upcycling our toothbrushes, we can reduce waste and live more sustainably. And that's the most fascinating part. We can make a difference, one toothbrush at a time. If you found this video fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this. And let me know in the comments what fascinates you most about DIY toothbrush repair. Want more mind-blowing facts? Hit subscribe and join our journey of discovery.